Yo, what's going on guys? Brody here and welcome back to another video, and we are going to be checking out another gaming mouse, and we are looking at a gaming mouse that is, that has a honeycomb design and is great for those fingertip and claw grip users out there. We are checking out the MM710 gaming mouse by Cooler Master. I've been wanting to try out the fingertip grip for a while, but I was trying to find a gaming mouse that was small enough for my hand to test out. Now I can, and the MM710 has definitely helped me out on trying that out. Oh my god, I can't stop yawning. Sorry guys, I'm just tired.
Brody, want me to take over so that you can get some coffee?
You know what, Eve? That sounds like a great idea. Let me go grab some coffee. Go over the specs for me of the gaming mouse for our viewers, please.
Okay, sure, no problem. Just under 55 grams with the honeycomb shell, the MM710 has a 16K DPI Pixart PMW3389 optical sensor for great tracking and precision. The DPI is instantly adjustable, giving you the ability to make real-time adjustments depending on your gaming style. To reduce the weight and better flexibility, Cooler Master used an ultra-weave cable. Mouse pulling rate is 1000 Hz with a mouse acceleration of 50. The mouse is installed with an 32-bit ARM Cortex-M0 Plus processor and 512 kilobits of memory. The MM710 has 6 buttons: the left and right trigger, 24-step scroll wheel, DPI button, and on the side of the mouse you have 2 buttons. The left and right triggers use pro-grade Omron switches which give you up to 20 million clicks, and the side buttons and scroll wheel are Wino switches. The feet under the mouse are white PTFE for smooth control and consistent glide. The measurements of the MM710 is 116mm long, front 60mm, the rear is 62mm, and at the grip 57mm with a height of 38mm.
Oh, much better. Definitely needed that coffee. Thank you, Eve. I've been enjoying using this mouse and testing out, the fingertip grip, and to be honest, kind of like it. The design does not have any deep curves to it where you would, grip the mouse, but when I checked around for other gaming mouse that have the same similarities to the MM710, the Ultralight 2 by Final Mouse has the closest shape and size that I can find. Now, the Ultralight 2 is lighter than the MM710, but you will be paying around $120 for the Ultralight 2, which is pretty expensive. This could be an alternative to the Glorious Model O-, but the Glorious is skinnier but heavier than the MM710, which can be due to that, Glorious has RGB and the MM710 does not. The honeycomb holes are bigger as well. Not sure how big or compared to the Glorious mouse.
Brody, the holes on the MM710 are 6mm and the Glorious has 3mm.
Well, there you guys go. There's the measurements for you. The scroll wheel is very nice, pretty quiet, and you can feel each step while scrolling. The triggers have a nice click to it, smooth and responsive. I do not see any pre-travel to them, if anything very minimum, but the post-travel is there for sure. The triggers can hit the body when you push all the way down, and no, they do not pinch any of my fingers or the skin on my fingers or anything like that. Side switches are nice, no pre-travel that I can tell. Nice clicky sound to them, but if you squeeze hard enough on the side of this shell, it can click the side buttons. Now, I have no idea why you're squeezing a mouse this hard, but really with any honeycomb design, you are going to have some flex to it. Now, here's a sound test for you guys. The glide on the mouse is very nice on slick mouse pads and soft mouse pads, and also you do get an extra set of white PTFE mouse pads inside the box. Oh, also there is plastic film on the glide, so make sure you take that off before using or you're going to have a really terrible experience. The Ultra Weave cable is very nice and flexible. You do not need a mouse bungee unless you just want to, get out of the way, and you do not have to change it out for a paracord unless you want to add some, color to it. So wrapping up here, if you are into the honeycomb shell, lightweight, and you are a fingertip claw grip user, then this is right up your alley. Especially for the cost of $50, it's not bad compared to other lightweight gaming mouse out there like the Ultralight 2, which is really expensive. Now, if you need RGB, then yeah, I would look elsewhere like the glorious model Minus, but to me, RGB is a plus. It styles up your desk a little bit, but it's not something that I need. Now, I do wish that they did stick a little LED near the the DPI, so when you clicked on the DPI, it would change to a different color, letting you know what DPI setting you are at. Other than that, it's a great mouse. It's solid, and I really enjoy it. And me playing like CSGO, etc., it's been very comfortable. It took me a little bit to get used to with the fingertip because I'm typically, like that palm grip type of user. But I've been really liking it. Where I've been, be able to, flick from one, head on CSGO to another, or at least try. I'm not the greatest CSGO player at all. I'm really terrible. Alright, that is it for today, guys. If you have any questions, make sure to hit me up down below in the comment section. I'll do my best on getting back to you. Make sure to do all those little YouTube buttons down below. Again, my name is Brody, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. See ya. Bye.